Welcome to Analects of Wisdom. Today, we embark on a journey through the profound teachings of Kirpal Singh, exploring Crown of Life, a study in Yoga and Morning Talks, 1967-68. Together, these works offer a harmonious blend of philosophical depth and practical wisdom, unveiling the spiritual path to inner harmony and universal love. As we begin, take a moment to reflect. What does spirituality mean to you? How do you seek balance in a world filled with distractions? Kirpal Singh, a towering figure in modern spirituality, devoted his life to sharing the essence of universal love and the inner path to self-realization. Born in 1894 in Punjab, India, he became a beacon of light for countless seekers across the globe. Singh's teachings transcend religious boundaries, emphasizing the unity of all spiritual paths and the power of meditation as a means to connect with the divine. Through his seminal work, Crown of Life, a study in yoga, Singh provides an in-depth examination of yoga as a universal spiritual discipline. His Morning Talks, 1967-68, further illuminate these ideas with practical advice for everyday life, making his teachings accessible to all. Let us now delve into the heart of these texts and uncover the timeless wisdom they offer. The philosophy of yoga in Crown of Life. Kirpal Singh begins Crown of Life by redefining yoga not merely as physical postures or exercises, but as a holistic discipline aimed at achieving unity with the divine. Singh identifies four primary paths of yoga. Bhakti yoga, the path of devotion, characterized by love and surrender to the divine. Singh writes, "Devotion is the flame that burns away the ego, leaving only the light of the soul." He stresses that true devotion transcends rituals and is rooted in the heartfelt connection with the divine essence. Jnana yoga, the path of knowledge which seeks truth through self-inquiry and intellectual understanding. Singh says, "Knowledge without love is barren. It is the union of wisdom and devotion that leads to realization." Karma yoga, the path of selfless action, where work becomes worship. Singh teaches, every act, no matter how small, can be an offering to the divine when performed without attachment. Raja yoga, the path of meditation and mind control, leading to self-mastery and spiritual enlightenment. He elaborates, "The restless mind is like a stormy ocean. Through meditation, we calm the waves and glimpse the depths of our true self." Singh emphasizes that these paths are not mutually exclusive, but interwoven threads of a single tapestry. He writes, "Each individual must find their own balance, guided by their inner inclinations and the circumstances of their life." The true essence of yoga, Singh explains, lies in its ability to bridge the finite with the infinite. It is a journey inward, where the seeker discovers their true self, a spark of the divine, hidden beneath layers of ego and illusion. In Morning Talks, Singh's approach shifts from philosophical exploration to actionable guidance. Each talk, delivered to disciples in the serene early hours, carries a sense of intimacy and immediacy. Through simple yet profound insights, Singh addresses the challenges of modern life and the obstacles to spiritual growth. On meditation, Singh reiterates the centrality of meditation as a tool for self-realization. Meditation is not a ritual, but a means to quiet the mind and attune it to the inner music of the soul, he asserts. He describes this inner music as the word or shabd, a divine vibration that connects all beings. Singh advises, sit in stillness, close your eyes, and listen deeply. The universe's song resides within you. On love and compassion, true spirituality manifests in love for all beings, Singh teaches. He challenges his listeners to rise above petty differences and embrace universal brotherhood. Love is the language of the soul. When we act from love, we align with the divine, he says. On discipline, Discipline is the cornerstone of a spiritual life. Singh encourages his disciples to cultivate regular habits of meditation, ethical living, and selfless service. Discipline is not restriction, it is liberation from the chaos of a distracted mind, he explains. He cautions against procrastination, reminding, "The journey begins with the first step. Take it today, for tomorrow is uncertain." On suffering and growth. Suffering is a teacher, Singh declares. Through trials, we shed our illusions and draw closer to truth. He encourages embracing challenges as opportunities for spiritual growth, adding, "Like a diamond is polished through friction, so too is the soul refined through adversity." The synergy between Crown of Life and Morning Talks lies in their ability to bridge the theoretical and the practical. While Crown of Life offers a roadmap of yoga's various paths, Morning Talks provides the tools to navigate that journey. Meditation as the foundation. From Crown of Life, we understand meditation's philosophical basis as a cornerstone of Raja Yoga. Singh's Morning Talks complement this by offering practical tips. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and focus on the present moment. He reminds us that progress in meditation is not measured by the length of time, but by the depth of experience. Applying selfless action. Karma Yoga's principles resonate deeply in Morning Talks. Singh's advice to work without attachment encourages us to see our daily tasks as opportunities for spiritual growth. By performing actions with sincerity and without expectation of reward, we align ourselves with the divine flow. Embracing universal love. Singh's teachings on Bhakti Yoga come alive in Morning Talks through his call for universal love. He states, "The heart that loves unconditionally becomes a temple of the divine." He urges us to dissolve boundaries of self and other, fostering a spirit of unity. How can we integrate Kirpal Singh's teachings into our daily lives? Here are some practical steps. Daily meditation. Practice. Set aside 10-15 minutes each morning for meditation. Focus on your breath or visualize a point of light as Singh suggests. Begin each session by silently repeating a mantra or affirmation such as, "I am one with the divine." Cultivate love and kindness. Make a conscious effort to act with compassion, even in challenging situations. Remember Singh's words, "Love is the reflection of the divine within us." Practice random acts of kindness daily. Simplify your life. Embrace simplicity in thought and action. Avoid overcomplicating decisions and trust in the natural flow of life. Singh advises, simplicity is the essence of spirituality. Cluttered lives breed cluttered minds. Serve selflessly. Find ways to help others without expecting anything in return. Whether through volunteer work or small acts of kindness, selfless service enriches the soul. Singh reminds us, when we give, we receive a glimpse of the infinite. Reflect on challenges. When faced with difficulties, pause and reflect. What lesson is this moment teaching me? Singh's wisdom urges us to view hardships as steps on the path of spiritual growth. As we conclude, let us carry forward Kirpal Singh's timeless wisdom. His teachings remind us that spirituality is not confined to rituals or dogma, but is a way of being, a path of love, awareness, and unity. Reflect on this. How can you bring more mindfulness and compassion into your life today? Thank you for joining in this exploration of sacred wisdom. May these teachings inspire you to walk your spiritual path with greater clarity and joy.